Crypto CZ News, the top crypto news source, providing fast, accurate, and comprehensive market updates. Multicoin's Samani explains why SOL ETF could trounce ETHs. Solana generates a lot more fees with a much smaller market cap than Ethereum, Samani argued. Multicoin Capital's Kyle Samani argued that a Solana-based exchange-traded fund could perform better than the Ethereum-based products due to Solana's fee generation and lower market capitalization. Samani is a major investor in SOL and stands to benefit from a successful ETF launch. Solana doesn't yet have an exchange-traded fund, but one of the asset's biggest backers is betting the Wall Street-friendly vehicle could come in 2025 and believes it's well-positioned to trounce Ethereum's various similar products. Multicoin Capital's Kyle Samani, a major investor in SOL and countless subordinate protocols, has been publicly pressing the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to look favorably upon a SOL ETF. His bullish pronouncements, therefore, might come as little surprise. But on stage Tuesday at Blockworks Digital Asset Summit in New York City, Samani explained his view why Solana is better placed to appeal to traditional investors than Ethereum did. It's all about the money, the fees being generated on-chain compared to the value of the asset's totality. A lot of the reason why the ETH ETF didn't have a super strong reception was a lot of investors looked at ETH and said, "Show me the fees," Samani said. By his telling, they didn't find much proof to justify investing at its high prices. But on stage Tuesday at Blockworks Digital Asset Summit in New York City, Samani explained his view why Solana is better placed to appeal to traditional investors than Ethereum did. It's all about the money, the fees being generated on-chain compared to the value of the asset's totality. A lot of the reason why the ETH ETF didn't have a super strong reception was a lot of investors looked at ETH and said, "Show me the fees," Samani said. By his telling, they didn't find much proof to justify investing at its high prices. Stock traders often look at a company's price-to-earnings ratio in deciding whether it's over or undervalued. In other words, when to invest. Crypto doesn't have such a clean metric, but blockchains still have revenue and tokens that can be mushed together for similar effect. Samani believes Solana's theoretical PE ratio is much healthier from an investing standpoint than Ethereum's. His on-stage math placed Solana as trading at 30 to 50 times its PE, whereas Ethereum is trading closer to 1,000 times. Solana's PE ratio is much more in line with high-growth tech stocks, Samani said. If the logic plays out, then traditional investors might be expected to believe Solana has more upside than Ethereum and invest accordingly. And that wraps up today's crypto market update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this latest development? Thank you for watching and see you in the next update. Stay safe and keep investing wisely.